Psalms 9. I will praise thee, O Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh, with my whole heart. I will shew forth all thy marvellous works. I will be glad and rejoice in thee. I will sing praise to thy name, O thou Most High. When my enemies are turned back, they shall fall and perish at thy presence. For thou hast maintained my right and my cause. Thou satest in the throne, judging right. Thou hast rebuked the heathen, thou hast destroyed the wicked, thou hast put out their name for ever and ever. O thou enemy, destructions are come to a perpetual end, and thou hast destroyed cities, their memorial is perished with them. But Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh shall endure forever. He hath prepared his throne for judgment. And he shall judge the world with righteousness. He shall minister judgment to the people in uprightness. Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh also will be a refuge for the oppressed, a refuge in times of trouble. And they that know thy name will put their trust in thee, for thou, Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh, hast not forsaken them that seek thee. Sing praises to Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh, which dwelleth in Zion. Declare among the people his doings. When he maketh inquisition for blood, he remembereth them. He forgetteth not the cry of the humble. Have mercy upon me, O Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh. Consider my trouble, which I suffer of them that hate me, thou that liftest me up from the gates of death. That I may shew forth all thy praise in the gates of the daughter of Zion. I will rejoice in thy salvation. The heathen are sunk down in the pit that they made, and the net which they hid is in their own foot taken. Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh is known by the judgment which he executeth. The wicked is snarled in the work of his own hand. Higgaion, Selah. The wicked shall be turned into hell, all the nations that forgetteth Elohim. For the needy shall not always be forgotten. The expectation of the poor shall not perish forever. Arise, O Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh, let not man prevail. Let the heathen be judged in thy sight. Put them in fear, O Yod-Heh-Vah-Heh, that the nations may know themselves to be but men. Selah.